Right, guys, back with another recap. Today's recap is of Monday the 17th. Today's recap is two trades I took today. You'll see the first one, which I took just after I got on. And then the second one you'll see is a little bit later, about a quarter of an hour, half an hour later on in the day. I had another trade which I took on crude. First time trading crude on the account, actually. I didn't realise, but it is. Um, both trades did not play out the way I was hoping, but I will say this: I would take both of them again if I could. Both trades, they were nice trades. I liked both trades, especially the Nasdaq one. The Nasdaq trade that I took was brilliant. I liked it. I liked it a lot. I can't sit there and complain about it at all. That's plain and simple. I cannot sit there and complain about a trade at all, at all. Uh, the market didn't go my way at that point. That's okay. I would have taken that trade again, and I will take that trade if I get that trade again, because that's the way I thought about it. Got pretty much, I got very unlucky in the reality of it. I got taken out of that trade. We went down. As soon as we went through that, through VWAP, we went down, tested, past the 46, 42 level, somewhere around there, which is where my stop loss got stopped out. We went down to 28, we'll say, 29, and then the rest of the day we just rallied up. So, had I took that trade on the next retest of VWAP, say I just got on 30 minutes later, 20 minutes later, I would have got that trade and I would have worked out. The exact trade just worked out. I just went too far down for me to hold through. Is it frustrating? In some aspects, yes, but I'm not going to be upset about it because it's the way it is. I've had really a nice run of streak, like with trading, over the last couple of weeks. It was bound to it was bound to run out at some point, and not necessarily even run out more. I was bound to have a few red days at some point. I've had 2 red days in the last 3 or 4 trading days, and both the other 2 have been pretty low winners. But look, I'll be realistic about it. It's one of them where this is the way trading is. Trading is like this. This is trading right now. Real trading. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like I'm trading as well as I can. I'm going on taking the trades I need to take, and I'm not upset about losing $400 on a trade that I would have taken again. It's one of them where I look at the market and I look back at it and I'm like, my entry was brilliant. Like we've bounced this point so many times. VWAP's there, open prices there. There should be a good resistance at this sort of 55 level or somewhere around there. We should be good. Like maybe the only thing I could think of is I could have put my stop a little bit lower, but it's like if I put my stop much lower, I'm risking too much on this trade. Where the risk to reward on this trade was if this trade does play out, which I thought it might, I want to be able to sit there and take off, a decent chunk of change and not risk too much. I didn't want to sit there and let this trade run down on me because we're at all-time highs. We have got some resistance points. If we start ripping down, we could quite easily sort of move down. It's one of them today where I just got a bit unlucky with my timing on the entry on the Nasdaq trade. There's nothing really more I can say about it or do about that. The crude oil one, I'll talk about crude. Crude was a little bit of a different one. Took a short at a previous high point. We bounced this level. We bounced this level a few times now at that point. And I thought, you know what, this might be a good short opportunity. We moved down a little bit. I was only doing micros, so 2 micros I think I was in. We moved down a little bit. I got in. I was in 2 contracts, 2 micros, and we moved down. I got about 20 points from my take profit on crude, so obviously about 0.2, and then it went straight back up and got break even. Am I upset about it? No, not at all. I'll do the same trade again because I'm trading with such small size where I want to let that trade play out. That's why I'm trading small size. If I was scared of losing money or not taking the money off the table, I would have traded. I wanted to make sure I guaranteed to take the money off the table. I would have either took it or I would have been trading with a mini instead. One mini, and that's a different trade. I probably would take off, or two minis. Say for example, it's two micros, two minis. Probably would have took one off when we broke that level and let the other one ride to break even or to full TP. Now obviously I know I would have got full break. I would have got break even, but that still would have put me in probably $300, $200 of profit because of how much it moved. But that's one of them where I'm okay with that sort of risk and okay with that sort of trade. I would take both those same trades today 100 times out of 100. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I would take both of them 100 times out of 100. So, yeah, that's it really. I'm going to end this video here. If you guys did enjoy the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow. Wednesday's a half day, so I won't trade Wednesday, but I'll trade tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, hopefully. Okay, see you guys then.